it's Eve, Anastasia, whatever you want to call me. And today we're in a mess. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. I have not slept all night. But yeah, I just wanted to get a video out for you guys, and this video is a mess, so I'm sorry in advance, but it's just, I guess, a little tutorial, a little get ready with me for whatever, just a little talking video that is the only thing I could get out for you guys this week. Sorry I didn't upload last week, I just wasn't able to. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this watermelon, whatever this is, look, and yeah, let's get into it. At the time I'm starting this video, it is 5 o'clock in the morning. I need to sort myself out so bad. Let's get started with whatever I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing yet. I need to get energy as well because I cannot be like this dead for the whole video. It's 5 o'clock in the fucking morning. I'm sure I already explained this in the intro, but if I didn't, I will not be like doing a tutorial today. I just want to like do my makeup, talk to you guys a little bit, so I'll list all the products down below that I'm using on my face. Alright, so I'm gonna start. I mean, honestly, because like I said, I wanted to talk about things. I honestly think there's too much to talk about. All the YouTube drama, like pretty much the world in general right now. But I don't know, I feel like, and you guys can agree with me on this, that the world just doesn't really feel real at this point. Like 2020 has actually been, I think, the weirdest year for all of us, really. I don't think any of us have ever experienced a year like this. Well, most of us actually haven't. Like, most of us have not ever been locked down at home. I'm also like 100% sure I'm in England. I think all of us will get locked down again at the start of the school year next year. I don't even care that I'm locked down, I'm not allowed to see people, but like, I'm doing like hard A-levels, and not being in school for this long is not okay at all, because like I'm already struggling with how much I've been off school now, and I just know there's going to be a second lockdown at the start of next year or at some point in the next school year, and that's just gonna fuck me over even more. And I mean, not only me, pretty much anyone that's taking their A-levels next year. Bit shit for us all. We all kind of, the 2021 A-level takers, we kind of all don't know what the fuck's gonna happen, how we're gonna get to unis. It's awful. I don't know if you guys care about this shit. I know loads of my friends watch these videos, and I mean, I haven't actually really talked to them about it that much, but I don't know. I used to, like, at the start of this, I didn't really freak out about oh, what's gonna happen next year, like, are we all gonna be okay? But now I am kind of freaking out because we're doing all of our UCAS and stuff, and it's just all kind of becoming real, and we all kind of don't have the guidance everyone else has or had in the past years. Right, that's pretty much it for eyeshadow. That's all I want to do. I want to now do a nice thick eyeliner and lashes, although this is such a waste of makeup. It's 5 a.m. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything anyway, but like at 5 a.m. it just feels more pointless. Okay, so I've put lashes and an eyeliner on. This eyelash is kind of sticking weirdly to my skin. It's a bit bent. Oh yeah, by the way, I know I have the nastiest spot right here, but it's okay, we'll get them. Foundation. Oh yeah, so I want to talk about the YouTube drama that's going on at the moment, and I mean, honestly, I don't know why I want to talk about it, because like, it's not like I'm relevant in it, so my opinion doesn't really matter, but I would urge you to watch some videos that people did outside of that group, so like outside of Tatty, Shane and Jeffree Star. Thing is, if the accusations are true, yes, it's a terrible thing to do, but I don't understand. Like, I used to watch Tatty all the time, and she's such like a genuine person, so why the fuck are you making videos about everything? Like, just find out the information that you need to find out and go to the police, get your lawyers and stuff. Because she's here accusing 2 people of serious blackmail, which is a criminal offense. She's making videos about it. I don't know. Like, I know it's a whole like, oh, you need to cancel their career and stuff, but do that after you get evidence and stuff. Like, I just don't understand this whole like drama thing. And then her video, like, she's so like, oh, feel sorry for me, like blah blah blah, but like I kind of don't want to, because you're like asking for pity after what you did. Even if you were persuaded into doing it, you did it, and you're a grown-ass woman. Like, take some accountability, responsibility. But yeah, so that's like my little opinion. Oh yeah, and everyone's predicting that like, oh, James Charles is gonna go off and stuff, and I really don't think that's gonna happen. The reason I think that's not gonna happen is because everyone thinks he's gonna go off. Everyone's accusing him of all this shit, so it wouldn't be a smart move for him to go off. Does that make sense? Like, yeah, I don't know. I think it's good if you care about it, because like, obviously there's some serious shit that he's been getting accused of. But I just don't care about this shit anymore. Like, I honestly don't understand how a beauty community, people who do makeup, have so much fucking drama. Like, Jesus. I feel like beauty community would be one of the most innocent ones on the platform, right? And they're like the devils of the platform. I haven't even like uploaded this or even edited it yet, but I'm already like so disappointed with this video. Don't even know if it's gonna go up. I wasn't actually planning on filming because I've had a bit of a down day today, which is okay, we'll have down days. Yeah, so I was just like not feeling uploading, and I know I didn't upload for you guys last week, so I was like, I kind of have to. But yeah, if you guys haven't watched my last video, you should definitely go check that out. I am super proud of it, and hopefully I'll make more good videos soon. I do actually have quite a lot planned. I just am not able to film them yet. I also slightly want to address the topic of mental health at the moment, because I think a lot of people have mental health problems, issues, illnesses, whatever. This is the time where everyone's really struggling. More than ever. And I know that a famous streamer actually killed himself recently, which is, I didn't watch him, but it's just really sad. And I know that he helped loads of people who were going through mental illnesses, mental problems, whatever you want to call it. And I think it's just really sad, and I just want to take a moment to say, take care of your health, mental health, more than ever, because it's a hard time for everyone, really, and you just need to look after yourself. You need to have someone to talk to, and I just had a down day, but that's okay. It's okay to have down days, but just make sure you always have someone there for you. I think that's a very important thing. But yeah, I don't really want to go too deeply into that stuff, because I think with mental health, it's just important to have a person that you trust, a person that cares for you, to be there for you. I'm not going to be here giving you a little psychology talk, but all I want to say at this time, just definitely take care of yourself. Check on people if you haven't in a while, because someone might be really sad, really going through it, and they will feel like they have no one around, and you can be that person that helps them. So just check on your friends, on your family, and make sure they're okay. You might do some good. And also check on yourself. Obviously, you have to prioritize yourself and make sure that you're okay. Should I give myself that ill look, the e-girl or whatever? I don't really know how to do it. I think you just put blusher everywhere. I've seen it look cute on some people, so I mean, I'm not going anywhere. I'll try it. I quite like a lot of blush anyway. I've just never put it like here, if you know what I mean. I mean, I definitely look sick, but I kind of like it. I'm actually going to take the electric cake liners and draw a little heart, because I think that'll be cute. Okay, that's cute. I think maybe let's add the freckles back to my face. Oh, and actually before we go into my freckles, I'm just going to take an inner corner highlight. I do have some videos planned that I'm really excited to film, but in general, can you guys just give me, please, some video ideas, because I want to make what you want to see sort of thing. Like, I will make more tutorials and stuff, but I want to just throw some other things in there, you know what I mean? Keep it interesting. Ooh, something that might be useful for you guys out of this whole pointless video. I did just start a new show with my boyfriend and we are in love with it. It's called RHAYE and it started like way back in 2013, I think, but only finished last year. So it's a very long show, but if you're looking for something that's a bit like Gossip Girl, because it's like rich people drama, so it has like Gossip Girl mixed with superhero stuff and like villains. So it's really good, honestly. A big recommendation for you guys, and the actor is really paying. I have a jumper that has this color pink on it and some green, so I'm just wondering, should I put some green in the waterline to spice this up a bit? And actually, while we're here, I'm gonna take a clean spoolie and put this product on and brush it through my eyelashes. Okay, cool. Yeah, I don't think there's much more that I can do or should do for that matter. I'm gonna get my hair sorted and come back for the outro. Okay guys, so that was it. I am again so sorry for this sad excuse of a video. I just want to get something up for you guys, and I promise something better is coming in the upcoming weeks. Also, please leave me some suggestions down below of what you want to see from me. That would be really helpful. And if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it will be in the description. But yeah guys, that was it. Subscribe, like, do whatever the fuck you want to do. Hope you enjoyed this video, this really shitty video. But I'll see you guys next week. Bye.